Hey tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. This is tree number 2 of 4 30-foot clear trunk Sylvester palms. When you say clear trunk, that means to the top of the trunk, which is right there where my finger is. And then there's about a 10-foot crown on top of the 10-foot or 30-foot of trunk. So this is about a 40-foot tree. So this is the second one. We got the first one in already. We've got a hole ready for this one. We're going to pick it up and then drive it over to the hole and set it in the hole and water it in. Phoenix Sylvester Palm. By the way, this is the house that the tree is going in. So keep us in mind when you're ready for your trees. Go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get you whatever